you too. This time we're gonna practice our French. We're gonna focus on culinary terms at this point in time. If there is interest for other terms, expressions, we'll deal with that later. I have to hear from you. But this is addressed to the culinary professionals and students and anybody that wants to pronounce the culinary terms the right way. I get 12 culinary terms here, and we're going to go over one by one. I will spell it out slowly. I will give the definition for those who are interested to want to know in writing and in the video. But this is mostly for the pronunciation. So here we go. Number one, we have sauce bechamel. So the French will put sauce first and then the name of the sauce. And in English you would say bechamel sauce. So the French word is bechamel. 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 Sauce bechamel. Number two, we have the action of dépouillage. 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 This is the action. The verb is dépouiller. Dépouiller. Number three, we have chiffonade. 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 Number four, émonder. 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 Number five, mirepoix. 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 Number six, pâte à choux. Pâte à choux. You make the liaison between the pâte and the a. Pâte à choux. Pâte à choux. Number seven, pincer. 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 Number eight, roux. Roux. Number nine, sachet d'épices. Sachet d'épices. Sachet d'épices. Number 10, sauce espagnole. Sauce espagnole. In English you would say Espagnole sauce. So, espagnole. Espagnole. Number 11, concassé de tomate. Concassé. Concassé de tomate. Here you would say a tomato concassé. Concassé. Number 12, again with the sauce, sauce velouté. Sauce velouté. And velouté. And here you would say velouté sauce. I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, let me know if you want to see more. This is kind of general, basic French fundamental cooking. We could do some based more on pastry, baking words, and we could then later do some expression for traveling once COVID is over and you get a hitch to go travel around the world and go to Europe and practice your French. We could work on that as well. But I need to hear from you, so comment, reactions, please share for someone you think might be interested. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.